Disclaimer, do not replicate anything I do in this video. If you do, I am not responsible for the consequences. This is a stun gun, and I would like to debunk a little misconception here. Stun guns and tasers are different things. A stun gun needs to have direct contact with the skin to actually do any damage. However, a taser shoots out probes that are effective up to 9 meters or 30 feet. Let's start with the arc generator. This black part of the glue stick is the arc generator. It extends to around here, and it is the part that emits the sparks. Let me show you how the arc generator produces arcs. On the arc reactor itself, you have these two legs, right? These are the legs that actually make the arc, make that blue spark thingy. Now, on paper it looks something like this. Here are the 2 points, aka these guys over here. One of them is positive and one of them is negative. When I press this button and voltage is applied to these 2 legs, this is what happens. Okay, so here's my voltage thing. So when I apply voltage, the 2 points ionize the air around them. Right? And the higher the voltage, the more air they ionize. Now, at one point, this field of air around the points that they ionize gets so big, the positive and the negative basically collide, causing them to short circuit, and a huge current runs through the gap. And that's basically how an arc is formed. The seller claims that this arc reactor can output 400,000 volts. Now, this is a blatant lie. And why do I say 400,000 volts is a pure blatant lie? Because air can break down under 30,000 volts across a 1 centimeter gap. So, to find the actual voltage of my generator, we measure the maximum distance of the arcs in our stun gun, which is around 0.6 centimeters, and we multiply 30,000 by 0.6. We get 18,000. That means that the output voltage for this taser is not 400,000 volts. That's just totally outrageous. It's only 18,000 volts. Big difference there. Big difference. I'm gonna leave you with 14 seconds of me just tasing nothing. Okay, here we go. And as always, thanks for watching.